We have new details tonight on the man accused of murdering a pregnant 16-year-old. 36-year-old Jurrell Davis is facing dozens of felony charges in connection to Zariah Dodd and another underage girl who was previously missing.
Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum has this exclusive report on the suspect's Pinal County case that led to unsupervised probation.
Jurrell Davis was on unsupervised probation since January 2025, but he violated an important term of his plea deal. He wasn't supposed to have any contact with his victim, a 17-year-old girl. He didn't listen, and the girl's mother warned law enforcement months before investigators say Davis killed 16-year-old Zariah Dodd.
I didn't get my daughter back. That's not the child I raised. That's not.
Aniya Morris is concerned about her 17-year-old daughter, Aniya, even if she's home safe. Last September, Aniya was 16 and missing before being found with 36-year-old Jurrell Davis later that month. The Pinal County Sheriff's Office arrested Davis during a traffic stop after authorities discovered a 9mm handgun under the passenger seat where Aniya was sitting. Davis is a prohibited possessor due to his 2008 child abuse conviction for impregnating a 14-year-old.
Was he now, with the record, going to try to pin that gun on her? Is she going to end up in legal trouble behind an adult man that has been preying on her?
Court records on this arrest reveal Aniya was afraid that Davis would find her again once he got out of jail and would not let her go back to her family. He was released days later and charged for violating the order of protection that Aniya's mom filed against him last August. By January 2025, Davis signed a plea deal, 3 years of unsupervised probation, around $500 in fees, and no contact with Aniya.
And what was your reaction?
I was upset.
Adrian says the Pinal County Attorney's Office did not discuss terms of the plea agreement with her. Unsupervised probation does not require reporting to a probation officer. Davis would find Aniya again.
And this is why people don't ask for help. This is why they don't go get the order of protection.
Adrian says she told PCAO back in April, which led to prosecutors filing for an order to show Davis violated probation. In June, he appeared in court.
Jurrell not only showed up in person, Aniya is still missing, but he brought Jacree James with him.
That's 18-year-old Jacree James Gillette. Both he and Davis are now accused of murdering 16-year-old Zariah Dodd, a pregnant girl who ran away from a group home in Surprise on July 4th, found shot and killed at Marivue Park in Phoenix the next morning. Davis is the confirmed father of her unborn baby and also charged with sexual misconduct with a minor. While Phoenix police combed through the crime scene on July 5th, court documents say Davis was with Aniya.
And we now know that he allegedly brought her to the scene of the murder where Zariah was, and she saw that.
Yeah.
How is that traumatizing for her?
It definitely put fear in her.
Police arrested Davis on July 15th when once again Aniya was found with him. At the time, Davis's probation revocation hearing in Pinal County was scheduled to happen 2 days later.
There's so much more that could have been done to keep him off the streets.
The maximum probation amount for interfering with judicial proceedings in Arizona is 3 years. Pinal County Attorney Brad Miller sent us this statement that reads in part, "Criminal cases can be difficult when different crimes occur in multiple jurisdictions. For the crime that occurred in Pinal County, my office filed the highest level of charges allowable under Arizona law, and we sought the maximum allowable sentence. When I recently heard about the matter that occurred in Phoenix, my heart went out to the victim and her family, and it is my hope that justice is served." Here in Maricopa County, Davis is not only being prosecuted for the murder of Zariah Dodd, but for nearly 30 charges related to Aniya Morris as well, that includes sexual exploitation of a minor and violating that protection order. I'm Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum.